Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enroll in the Copy.ai affiliate program. So first and foremost, you have to visit the affiliate program sign up page. So basically you can copy this one, copy or join Copy.ai affiliate program. And then you have to click the very first link that you can see here. This is what it looks like. Here on this page, you can basically understand everything like how to get started with affiliate marketing. You will understand the basics. Okay, choose your niche, find affiliate programs, build your platform, create high quality content, incorporate affiliate links, promote strategically, track and optimize performance, engage with audience, and stay informed and adapt. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to go back. Okay, so here on your Copy.ai, you have to scroll down and you have to go to get help or this area right here. You should see that apply affiliate program or affiliate program on this section. Now, if you can't see that here, then basically it's not yet available in your country. Like in my country, it's not. So if you see an affiliate program or join affiliate program, all you have to do is to fill out the form with accurate information about yourself and promotional platforms. This may include your name, email address, details about your website or social media channels, information on how you plan to promote Copy that AI. Once done, you can now submit the application. So after completing the form, you can submit your application for review. And then after that, you have to await for approval. So the Copy.ai team will review your application. Approval times can vary, so be patient. Once approved, you'll receive an email notification. Now, once done, you can now access your affiliate dashboard. It's not like this. So upon approval, log into your affiliate dashboard that is different from your Copy.ai account. So obtain your unique affiliate referral link, access promotional materials like banners and templates, and then monitor your referral earnings. So basically, that's it. If it's not yet available in your country, then you have to wait for that. As of now, all you have to do is go to your Copy.ai account, scroll down here. If you see affiliate program, then submit an application. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.